Obsidian lets you keep your vault connected, but renaming files can break references if links aren't kept in sync. To see how Obsidian handles this by default, let's open a note from the Sidebar File Explorer. When the note's title is edited at the top of the editor, Obsidian detects the rename. An Update Links prompt appears, asking if you want to update references to this file. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Selecting just once updates the reference links only for this single edit. A brief banner confirms how many links were updated across your files. Switching over to the referencing note shows that the link text was updated. While this works, having to manually confirm that prompt every time can interrupt your workflow. To automate this permanently, open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Under the Files and Links section, turn on the toggle switch for automatically update internal links. Close the Settings window to return to your Vault editor. Now Obsidian will automatically update all incoming links behind the scenes whenever a note is renamed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Obsidian tips.